So for this assignment, I decided to evaluate the Google Expeditions app, which is a technology curriculum product. The Google Expeditions app is an app that can be used for virtual field trips. It can be used to read, to find out more information, but also to explore things from the arts to history and to science. Basically anything. There's lots of expeditions available for free download, and the app is 100% free, so I really recommend it. It's great for any teacher, classrooms K through 12. You can include it in lessons to differentiate either the content, the process, or the product. I 100% recommend it, and I have actually included it in lessons before. So this right here is just kind of to show you what the augmented reality looks like. But once you download it, it's really simple to follow through. So it is very practical for any teachers, and it also provides the virtual reality option, which you can use on just the Expeditions app, or if you would like, you can also use the Google Cardboard app. This right here is a Google Cardboard viewer. This is probably the cheapest one, $571. You can use the Google Cardboard app to view things more in detail, and you can also use the Google Cardboard camera, which allows you to actually create your own expeditions and guide your expeditions for your classroom if you want to create your own expeditions for your very own lessons. So I 100% recommend it. It is very practical, easy to use, and it's free. And students absolutely love it, and they're super engaged whenever they are using this. It's a great way to differentiate instruction, group work, and sometimes independent learning as well.